Welcome to Plant 365. I bet you didn't know that lettuce enjoys cooler weather. This leafy green thrives when temperatures are mild, making it an ideal crop for the cooler parts of the year. It's best to sow lettuce seeds in early spring or late summer. Avoid the summer heat as it can stress the plants. By planting during these cooler periods, you give your lettuce the best chance to grow tender and flavorful leaves. Heat makes lettuce bitter and causes it to bolt. When temperatures rise, lettuce plants can become stressed, leading to a change in flavor and texture. Bolting is when the plant flowers and produces seeds. This process is a natural response to heat and stress, but it results in leaves that are tough and unpalatable. This makes the leaves taste bad. Bitter and tough leaves are not what you want in your salads, so timing your planting is crucial. For a spring crop, sow seeds indoors about 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. This gives the seedlings a head start and ensures they are ready to be transplanted as soon as the weather is favorable. You can find the last frost date for your area online or in a gardening calendar. Knowing this date helps you plan your planting schedule accurately. For a fall harvest, start seeds indoors in late summer. This allows the plants to establish before the cooler autumn weather sets in. Lettuce can also be sown directly into the garden. Direct sowing is convenient and works well if the soil conditions are right. Wait until the soil is workable. This means it should be neither too wet nor too dry. This means the soil is not too wet and not too cold. Proper soil conditions are essential for seed germination and healthy plant growth. It should crumble easily in your hand. Crumbly soil indicates the right moisture level and texture for planting lettuce seeds. Starting lettuce seeds indoors gives them a head start. This method is particularly useful in regions with shorter growing seasons or unpredictable weather. By starting seeds indoors, you can control the environment, ensuring optimal conditions for germination and early growth. Use seed trays or small pots filled with seed starting mix. This mix is specially formulated to provide the right balance of nutrients and drainage, which is crucial for young seedlings. Sow seeds about 1/4 inch deep and water gently. Be careful not to displace the seeds with a strong stream of water. A gentle misting works best to keep the soil evenly moist. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Overwatering can lead to fungal diseases and root rot, which can be detrimental to young seedlings. Place the trays in a warm, bright location. Consistent warmth and light are key to successful germination and growth. A sunny windowsill or under grow lights works well. If natural light is insufficient, grow lights can provide the necessary light spectrum for healthy growth. Lettuce seeds need light to germinate. Ensure they receive at least 16 hours of light daily to promote strong, healthy seedlings. Once the seeds germinate, thin the seedlings. This means removing the weaker ones to give the stronger seedlings more space and resources to grow. Leave the strongest seedling in each pot or cell. This ensures that each plant has enough room to develop a robust root system. Before planting outdoors, harden off the seedlings. This process helps them adjust to the harsher outdoor environment. This means gradually acclimating them to outdoor conditions. Start by placing them outside for a few hours each day. Place the trays outside in a sheltered spot for a few hours each day. Gradually increase the exposure time to help them adapt. Increase the time outdoors gradually over a week or two. This slow transition helps prevent transplant shock and prepares the seedlings for their permanent home in the garden. Choose a sunny spot for your lettuce. Lettuce prefers well-drained soil. Make sure the area gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day, as this will help the plants grow strong and healthy. Amend the soil with compost or other organic matter before planting. This step is crucial as it enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients that will support the growth of your lettuce. This improves drainage and adds nutrients. Well-drained soil prevents waterlogging, which can cause root rot and other issues. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep and about 6 inches apart. Water gently. Consistent moisture is key, so keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Thin the seedlings to 12 inches apart when they have a few true leaves. This spacing allows each plant to have enough room to grow and access nutrients. These are the leaves that grow after the first set of seed leaves. True leaves are more robust and better adapted to photosynthesis, helping the plant to thrive. Section 4. Lettuce care, water, weeds, and feed. Lettuce needs consistent moisture. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger into the soil. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Weeds compete with lettuce for water and nutrients. Remove weeds regularly. Fertilize lettuce every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Follow the package instructions for application rates. Section 5. Keeping pests and diseases away. Lettuce is susceptible to some pests and diseases. Common pests include slugs, snails, and aphids. Inspect plants regularly for signs of damage. Handpick pests or use organic pest control methods. To prevent diseases, provide good air circulation. Avoid overhead watering. Rotate crops each year to prevent the buildup of soil-borne diseases. Section 6. Harvesting your crisp lettuce. Most lettuce varieties are ready for harvest in about 45 to 60 days. You can start harvesting leaves when they are big enough to eat. For loose-leaf lettuce, simply pick the outer leaves as needed. For head lettuce, wait until the head feels firm. Cut the head at the base of the plant. Lettuce is best eaten fresh. Enjoy your homegrown salad.